So the other day, my toolbox fell. So the garage is once again a mess. I don't have any video footage of that, but thankfully I didn't get hurt. Thankfully I didn't get injured. There's very minimal damage on the box itself from the fall. This little corner right here. I don't know how well that's gonna focus, but that got messed up. And then up top, there's a slight dent right here. So yeah, that sucked. It was not fun. Thankfully, I had my friend Donnie was able to come over and help me at least get the top box put back on. Yeah, it's not a fun experience. I had one too many drawers open on the bottom, and the bottom box is where a lot of my heavy tools and equipment is, and it kind of just physics played its part, and it came tumbling down. So that was not fun. First time for everything. But I figured at least document putting my tools back, and then I'm also gonna reorganize some stuff. Some stuff I don't use is gonna go in the top shelf here because this usually doesn't get opened up very much, and so I'm just gonna put what I don't really use up here, and so that way it can help distribute some weight, and also just have my drawers look a little bit cleaner. So I'll get set up on a tripod and just get into filming. Not get used. Three-quarter gun can go up here. This does not get used much. Small impact. Library can go up here. Also, it does not get used very much. Small drill. That one. That drill right there. A big gun can go up here. Here. Automatic rivet gun can go up here as well. This does not get used very often. And bag goes up here. Up here. Bluetooth radio. So it goes in the corner back here. Here. I think I'll do that for now. That's bulky charger. Spare one down here. So, charge can tools and lay them out. Move some of this stuff over. Light. So there's light one here. Yep, so it still shuts. Shuts good. So. Alright. So. Can I start with? Gosh. Just lay everything out. Things laid out. Wrenches, pry bars. More wrenches. Also, to go through my duplicates of stuff. Just get rid of some of it. Pry bars, screwdriver, picks, brake hook, screwdriver. More ratcheting wrenches. I have way too many wrenches. Guys, convenient. as you can see, we just have a lot of wrenches. That's one thing I'm going to organize and go through. Is just spread these all out, get these all spread out, figure out what duplicates I have, and just have a one organized set in one drawer and put all the duplicates. Probably just put them somewhere else because I don't really need them in the box. And if anything, they just took up a lot of space. So also gonna get screwdrivers put back in their place and just kind of go through some of this stuff. I think the main thing is gonna be the wrenches because I have like two or three different sets. So just find a complete set, put the complete set in the box, and go from there. Alright, so that's kind of where I'm at. These are the wrenches that I'll have kind of left over as spares, and these nut drivers and other pliers can go into the other toolbox. But the nut drivers, I just don't use enough, so I think I'm gonna take those out. So screwdriver drawer is looking, it's still fairly full, but a little bare. And then the wrench drawer, I have metric from 8 going all the way up to 22 with no skips. Some standard, and then 2 adjustable wrenches right down there. So that actually looks a lot better. I know it won't obviously stay this clean, right, with this being with this box getting used a lot and always finding tools, so it won't always stay this clean and organized, but it is looking a lot better. So I think all these wrenches will eventually find a new spot, probably within these 2 toolboxes, probably within that one. Probably should put most of these within this one, just so I know where they're at, and obviously they'll have a home. So of course this will go and stay in here because this is actually pretty neat and nifty. I have not used it yet, but I'm sure I will. So that's that. Now I'm going to obviously close the hatch, maybe put a couple more things in there that I don't use often. I'll close the hatch and then put some of the stuff back up top. So. I think I'll be fine right there. Will be. think this is about it of what's going to go on top of the toolbox. But I'm pretty happy with that. There's some stuff I still need to get up off the floor and kind of just put other places, which is fine because some of it does go in that corner over there where the jack is. That's where some of this stuff is. Pretty much the rest of the stuff stays at. So it's not really out of the way right now. But I think it's about it for this video. I'm pretty happy with that. I think I'm going to continue make another video today while the sun's out on doing the trim. So look forward to that. That was kind of this video. Like I said, it sucks that the toolbox fell over in the first place, and but it gave me a good excuse to reorganize some stuff and just go through it, reorganize it, and really just clean it up like it's been meaning to well, like I've been meaning to do, really. So I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with the overall outcome. Hopefully this doesn't happen again. Yeah, really, pretty much hopefully this doesn't happen ever again. But who knows? It could. Not too sure. Obviously I'm not too sure. But this toolbox isn't the most sturdiest. This isn't the greatest toolbox. I wouldn't mind upgrading in the future. That would be nice, but I think my main thing I'm going to do next is really just go through my tools and start upgrading my actual tools, just because a lot of them are kind of worn out and it just needs to be upgraded. Like obviously my screwdriver drawer, like I just need a new set. In reality, picks are fine, precision screwdrivers are fine, but actual tool or screwdrivers and other tools just need new sets. Like I need new new ratchets, just things like that, little things, which I will hopefully upgrade within the following year, this upcoming year. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it was semi-entertaining. I really don't do it for the entertainment purpose. I really just do it for me, and just to have this on film and be able to look back and say, hey, I did this after this happened, or X, Y, and Z. So yeah. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, or if you want to see more of this content, I guess. I don't know. But I will catch you next time. So, see you.